Here we are, we've arrived at the beach club at Bimini. This is Virgin Voyages private beach club reserved only for their ladyship sailors. This is the main entrance. It's a nice beautiful sitting area. And as you walk in to your left to the beach club at Bimini, you've got a map of the entire beach club. You can see the Lagoon Pool in the middle. The beach is up towards the top. You can see where we are in the main house entrance. Now we're going to come into the lounge area. So this is just off from the main entrance. Lots of available seating, shaded areas, some music playing. It's another great space that is available here at the Beach Club at Bimini. Again, we'll swing around and you can see the Lagoon Pool from here, you can see the beach from here, and a lot of just beautiful palm trees everywhere. They've done a great job with the Beach Club at Bimini. If you are staying in one of the Rockstar suites, Mega Rockstar or Rockstar Suite, you do have access to the Rockstar Retreat here at the Beach Club at Bimini. And this is the entranceway. Walk up, you'll show your wristband, and you have access to 360, which is the retreat space here in the Rockstar area. When spending a day at the Beach Club at Bimini, one of the options you have is to rent a cabana. So we happen to be in the Rockstar area, and this is a Rockstar cabana, but the others look similar. I will film those for you as well. So nice little covered shelter area. You've got 2 beanbag style chairs, 2 loungers, your towels. We've just arrived. We've got a nice jug of water on our little coffee table. If you're looking for some sun, you also have 2 loungers set up outside of your cabana. Take you back, you get a little bit of a larger view of it. This is Cabana 16. It's located really close to the Rockstar Retreat 360, so that's the bar area. And I do want to point out that you do get beachside service here. So if you need anything, any assistance during your day, whether that's to drink, some food, or anything else, you've got a little buzzer here. You can notify your service team, and they will be out to take care of all of your needs as you enjoy the day at the Beach Club at Bimini. This is the Rockstar Retreat called 360. So this is a private bar area for suite holders and rock stars. You can see there's lots of seating. Great bar offering you all the beverages you could possibly want. And this space is reserved exclusively for rock stars. That said, there are plenty of other great spaces, and we'll go take a look at those momentarily. If you're looking to enjoy the Rockstar Retreat, but still get some sun, this is another lovely sitting area. There are lots of amazing little pathways and boardwalks laid out for you here at the Beach Club at Bimini. We're walking up one of them. This is to Beach Eats. This is the south location for Beach Eats. So this is where you're going to be able to come and get lunch every day from 12 till 3:30. You can come, grab lunch. They're just setting up. It's quite early. Well, not quite early. It's around 9:30 in the morning right now, so they're still doing their setup. You see they're going to grill up some food for us. Everything's going to be served buffet style. And as we pan around from Beach Eats, you're going to see that there's lots of available seating. I love the palm trees. I love that your toes are in the sand. And I also love that they've got some shaded areas as well with those little canopies, just providing some extra shade that perhaps the palm fronds from the palm trees don't provide. We're going to keep moving along here. You probably start to hear some music. I'll do my best to provide you with the description while not yelling over that music. And going to make our way over to the Lagoon Bar and the Lagoon. So this is the swimming pool area. Again, lots of seating if the beach isn't your thing, but the pool is. You've got those day beds and clamshells, loungers. Just gonna walk out here through the sand and just take you for a little view. So we've got the Lagoon Bar, some pretty cool swings on the side there. And here's a full look at the entire pool. So it is a rather large pool, lots of available seating. I love those little chairs or loungers that are in the water, so you can dip your toes in the water while enjoying a beverage or just soaking in the sun. Again, lots of available seating. And as an added bonus, you can even have ocean views right from the pool. So in front of us there, just past the umbrellas, are your regular beach cabanas. Again, those are available for rent. So if you're looking to have a little bit of an elevated day, maybe you want to pamper yourself a little bit, you can do that. Another cabana option are the Grove cabanas. So again, these are available for rent, a little bit set back from the ocean and set back from the pool, perhaps a little bit more privacy, a little bit quieter up here. These are your Grove cabanas. Not quite open yet, but let's take a quick peek. So similar to the Rock Stars, you've got your two loungers outside, two loungers on the inside, two beanbag chairs, your water, and your buzzer so you can get your service. There's a changing area and washroom area located adjacent to the main entrance. Little changing huts, lockers, hand washing station, and of course you've got your washroom area. Again, lots of lockers, and we'll take you into one of these changing stations. Again, just a nice little changing station if you don't wear your bathing suit or you want to get out of your bathing suit before heading back to the ship, which I know a lot of people like to do. They've got these wonderful little changing stations here and some more lockers. And this area is just located as you come in through the main entrance. This is just to the right from the main entrance. Here's another look at the Lagoon Pool there. We've got some more Grove cabanas over to my right. Got some poolside cabanas as well to the left there. We're going to keep walking along, and we're going to make our way to Beach Eats North. So this is very similar to Beach Eats South, just another area where you can come and grab lunch while you enjoy the day here at the Beach Club at Bimini. We'll come back over here in a moment, and I wanted to bring you over here as well, so you can start to see some hammocks, some volleyball nets, badminton nets. So this is the area in which they call the court. So if you're looking to be a little bit more active for your beach day or part of your beach day, you can come here, play some games before heading back to the beach or the pool. Now we're heading back into the main beach club area from the court. This is Beach Eats. So again, this is around 9:30, 9:45 in the morning, so They're just getting the island set up for all of Virgin Voyages sailors for the day. So no food out just yet. But really looking forward to our meal today. Lots of floaties available as well. You can see they're just inflating them now. This flamingo looks like it could be quite a lot of fun. If you've got a big group, you can head out for a float with them. Got a beverage hut here, similar to the one on the south side of the beach. Lots of available seating. The palm trees and the canopies providing shade. I love the idea of being able to come for lunch and having my toes still in the sand. As we come around, you can catch a little bit of a little glimpse of the pool. And then up to your right, we have the beach bar. Some more beach cabanas. We'll take a look at one of those momentarily. Again, the beach bar, where you'd come if you're looking for a pina colada, Bahama Mama, or any other of your favorite drinks. You can come here, and the team at the beach bar will take very good care of you.
Hey.
See? Again, perfectly located, steps away from the beach. You've got more lovely loungers, lots of umbrellas. I love that. Sometimes you go to beach clubs and they don't have any umbrellas for shade. You've got lots of umbrellas here. I'll take you for a quick look over at some of these beach cabanas. And we've got to the island relatively early, so people are slowly filtering over from the ship. So again, similar to the Grove Cabana and the Rockstar Cabana, you've got your two loungers on the inside, your beanbag chairs, a table, your buzzer, so if you need anything, you can get some service. And of course, two loungers outside of the hut, so you can get some shade. One of the really cool things that Virgin Voyages is doing is staying later in a lot of ports, and not just the Beach Club at Bimini, but all of their ports all over the world in the Mediterranean and the Caribbean, just giving you a longer opportunity to enjoy and embrace the destinations in which it sails. I love this. One of the cool things they do here is they do a sunset bonfire. So they've got their fire pit here, and there is another one on the other side, on the south side. So we're going to take you back from the beach bar and take a closer look at the north side of the pool area. Music just creates a really cool hip vibe, but nice large pool, nice easy entranceways, tons of loungers, tons of shade, and all steps from the beach. Gonna take you right down to the beach now. Take the walkway. Again, people are starting to slowly arrive. I wouldn't say the chairs are filling up. Again, there's plenty of chairs, day beds, all sorts of different styles of chairs as well. So if you don't feel like lounging all day, you can kick back on a more traditional style chair. Some more beach cabanas. Let's head to the ocean. Beautiful beach here at the Beach Club at Bimini. Just Beautiful powdery sand. I pan around, you're gonna see, even if you're not in a cabana, there is lots of seating, lots of shade. So the entire ship can have a great day here at the Beach Club at Bimini. Nice long beach, so if you like to walk the beach, get some exercise in, you've got a great long beach to do that. Beautiful blue water. Questions about Virgin Voyages or the Beach Club at Bimini, please email me, Jeff@sunnysouthvacations.ca.